we are going to weave it into something like this. But that aside, we are making size 43 as the sewing implies, and this should be going like this. Likewise, this should be going like this. Hope you get the view now. But this will be where we are going to fix our long strap of the leather that will be going to the buckle side. And also on this, something like this will be on it. So for us to attach it, you get, we are going to put a leather or something like this into it, you get. But and I measure the width is 0.5 as you can see, and the length is 2. So that is what that will be holding it down on this buckle part. So I've already got put gum on it, so I'm going to put it down. So, and it's your rivet that is going to pin it down on your the other leather. So you have do that for the other design too. As you can see, a part will be like this, a part will be above it, then this part will be on top. Can you see how I placed them? So someone will hold it down for you, then you are going to weave. Can you see how I'm going? Can you see how I'm going? So you are not going to weave this part, like you won't weave it to the tip, you get. And likewise this, you might release it like this, so that because that will be what will be entering your wrap sew, so it can't be weaved. If it's weaved, it will be giving us problem. So you are going to use gum to gum them down. So you are going to apply gum on this place, apply gum under this, because this is what will be coming to this place. Then you apply gum at this place. Sorry, yeah. Apply gum at this place. Then you apply gum on this.